Parent need to be parent, P-E-R-E-N-T, rather than the P-A-Y-R-E-N-T, parent. Because I strongly believe that some parents only pay the rent, but they are not parents in all due respect. So, to properly oversee a child, ensure you know the friends, the company, where the child is going, and after certain hours, there should be a curfew time for your child. Whether you consider the community to be safe or not, parents should impose a curfew time for their siblings based on what we see going on now. I strongly believe that it doesn't matter the school your child goes, it all depends on you, the parent, the amount of work you put in with your child. So spend a lot of time with your child, helping them with their homework, ensuring that you know what is going on within the school. Keep a close relationship with the school teachers that teach your child. A lot of the parents are getting very younger. You understand me? In the parties, you find out, you see daughter, you see mommy, and you see granny. You see 3-generation party nowadays. So everybody feel like they're on the same level. Nobody no bigger than nobody again, and nobody no smaller than nobody. Everybody on the same level. And because of this, the respect barrier break down. I think parents need to communicate with your children. It's not that you want to be your child's best friend, but try to be one of your child's best friend. And the communication is key. You have to be stern. Let your children know that what I say is what I mean. All right. Next thing again, you can't allow the media to grow your child. The media must be supervised. As a parent, you supervise, the media time with your child, because some of the things I've seen coming across the television nowadays and even the radio is just not healthy for our children. So we have to, supervise the media content that we allow our child to listen. We have to monitor their phones. I notice everybody now giving their children phones. As little as 3-year-old, right up, they're having phones. And the BlackBerry phones, and then the content over these phones and these tablets, some of the time they are not healthy. And you can't give a child a phone and not monitoring the phone.